I've talked about this before, but cleaning your parts before you weld them is pretty important. A lot of aluminum comes with this kind of plastic film. Obviously you're going to want to pull all that off. Now your part isn't clean just because you pulled the film off. There's a little residue of the glue left over. Acetone's your friend. Now you can use a lint-free cloth. That's probably better than using paper towel. Paper towel leaves little fibers behind, but I'm going to show you how I get rid of those. You can see all those little fibers coming off. That's all going to contaminate your weld. But even with a lint-free cloth, I'd probably want to go over with this little brush. I made a big deal about this in my other videos about the brushing. The acetone's probably more important to get all the oil and the contaminants out. I like to prep all my parts before I weld them. Just get it out of the way. The main thing is you're not going to forget. You don't do it all in the beginning. You end up forgetting. Do a nice little weld, finish weld, and you end up with a bunch of oil in there or something. A little compressed air doesn't hurt either.